Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado cream for face. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, half a banana, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. These natural components are packed with nutrients to nourish your skin. Make sure your avocado is soft and ready to mash for a smooth consistency. Having everything ready makes the process quick and easy. Now let's get to mixing. Start by mashing your ripe avocado and half a banana together in a small bowl. You want a really smooth consistency, so take your time. Once mashed, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This oil helps bind the ingredients and adds extra hydration. Stir everything until it forms a uniform, creamy paste perfect for your skin. With your cream ready, it's time for application. First, cleanse your face to remove any makeup or impurities. Then, gently apply a thin, even layer of the avocado cream to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. You'll feel its rich texture working its magic. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing your skin to absorb all the wonderful nutrients. After 15 to 20 minutes, it's time to rinse. Use lukewarm water to gently wash off the cream, ensuring no residue remains. Pat your face dry with a soft towel, avoiding any harsh rubbing. You'll immediately notice how soft and supple your skin feels. This simple, natural cream provides deep hydration and a healthy glow, making it a wonderful addition to your skincare routine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.